So in this question we are going to find which is going to be, and we have the oxy acids of bromine. What are the oxy acids we have? HO, Br, and then HBrO2, then HBrO3 and HBrO4. What is the question? Actually they are asking you to find which is unstable. HOBr is again a stable compound. HBrO2 is also a stable compound, and HBrO3 is also a stable compound. How we are saying it to be a stable? It depends upon its oxidation state. You know, always the oxidation state of bromine, it varies from -1 to +5. Let us find out for this whether it is stable or not. Let us substitute X instead of Br. So +1, this is for hydrogen, oxidation state is +1, and let us substitute X for bromine, and then if you take oxygen it is -2, let us equate to 0. So X plus 1 minus 8 is equal to 0. X is equal to 7, which means X minus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to +7. You know very well that bromine cannot exhibit +7 oxidation state. So therefore, definitely HBrO4 is an unstable compound. So among the four following options, the fourth option shows HBrO4. So therefore option 4 is right.